continuation of real number line and the order. So what we have already discussed on the topics, which is this is a real line wherein you have one which is on the positive, on one which is on the negative. So here x increases, okay, and here x decreases. Now we have already discussed on few of the topics on pi, which is a 3.14, okay, and the exponential, which is e, again that is 2.718 and so on. And again we have talked on root 2, so which is 1.414 and so on, okay. So here the digits hasn't been repeated, and it is goes on, okay. In the case of exponential, you'll find some of the which is repeated, okay. Let us look into the order and the interval of the real number line, okay. Now if I again consider a real line, let me draw that for you. Fine. One important property of the real numbers is that they are ordered. So what do you mean by order? Now if I consider the interval between 0 and 1, and if I consider the point here as 3/4, and if you look at that, 3.4 lies between 0 and 1, and 3/4 is less than 1. So when you consider this, also 3 is less than 4. You can consider this also. Now again, if I put -1 here, and if I extend to 2, okay, and if I consider x as some real line which lies between A and B, where we can say those are the end points, okay. We can figure it out by looking into some of the important factors here. If I consider A, comma B, brackets, so this is an open interval where A less than x less than b. So this is an open interval. Now the real line, it is, if you consider this, brackets, and this is A and this is B. So this is A comma B. Now we have some other intervals. Okay, if I consider A comma B and this is closed, the interval that is neither open nor closed. So this is written as A less than X less than or equal to B. So this is the intervals neither open nor closed. So let me draw a line for that also. So this is how it looks. This is A, this is B, and this is A comma B close bracket. Again we have which is closed interval, okay, which is or we can put this also as an example. If I draw a line, now this is closed here and this is open, so this is A and this is B, so this is close bracket A comma B, okay, and this is A less than or equal to X less than B. Okay. Now if I consider again a straight line, which is this and this is closed interval, so A B, okay, that is A and B. This is a closed interval. This is A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So this is a closed interval. And we have infinite intervals here. If I represent that also, so if I consider that as like this, A and this is B, so here it goes to infinity, okay, so that is minus infinity comma B, so where we represent this as X is less than A, and this is infinite interval, if I consider another example here, so which is A, and this is B, that is B comma infinity, so which is x greater than B. Now if I consider another line, let me draw that here also, another line, and the points closed. So this is A, and this is the point B on the real line, and this is minus infinity comma A, if I consider that, which is closed. So here what we can write is x less than or equal to A, and here if I consider A here, and what should be this, so this should be closed here, so this is B, so this is closed B, and to the infinity, which is positive, so this should be x greater than or equal to B. Now above all, if I consider a line, okay, where we have the points, which is A, and this is B, and if I say that as minus infinity to infinity, so this is written as like this. On your screen you will be looking into some of the important videos, and also please subscribe and please comment on the videos so that I can do some more videos on this. So thank you for listening.